you will be very amazed because this takes care of business, honey. It does. Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about 5 makeup hacks that you need in your life that will help you in situations when you run out of makeup, when you need to do something really quickly and you don't have the tools to do it. So if you guys want to see or learn about these makeup hacks that I use almost every day, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first makeup hack that I use sometimes when I run out of my eyeliner is using mascara as an eyeliner. So what I do is I get the mascara. Let me find my mascara here really quickly. I get my mascara and I use a small brush that I normally would use to apply lipstick. And this is the Morphe M250S brush. So it's that small. And I use that to apply the eyeliner. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see how I do this technique. I grab a little bit of mascara on the brush. Okay, and then I go in with the little brush, apply a little bit of product on the brush, and I take my time while I do this. Each time I apply my eyeliner, I like to start off by drawing a light line, kind of like a guide for me. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we call them? We weren't supposed to break up. Let's make up to one more. Okay, so this is me done applying the eyeliner. So yeah, if you ever run out of your eyeliner and you really need to apply eyeliner, just use your mascara and use a small brush to apply it, and then you will achieve the look that you're trying to achieve. Okay, so the second makeup hack is using your setting spray to spray into your mascara bottle that is dried out. So if you have a mascara bottle that dried out, you ran out of mascara, you need to apply mascara on this day, you don't have time to go to the store, what you can do is just open up that dry bottle, and I'm using an old mascara. When mascara dries up, it's usually hard to open the bottle, but I'm gonna open this and show you guys that this is really dried mascara. See? So I just spray the setting spray into the mascara like that, and I pump about 8 pumps. I didn't count, but I usually do 8, and then I put back the mascara brush, I close it up, and I shake it. I shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And so when you shake it, it tries to dissolve all the mascara residue that has dried up. So that's why you want to shake it. I also like to do this. I do it so many times. You guys see? We have moisture. And then I'm going to zoom in and apply so you guys can see. You guys see how I'm getting product? You see that? I want you guys to look at these lower lashes and compare them to these. Do you guys see? Yes, honey. So the third beauty hack has to do with eyebrows. Now, if it's your first time doing eyebrows, or you're trying to practice to perfect the craft of doing eyebrows and have no idea where the angle or the wing of the eyebrow needs to stop, just remember that it always has to be diagonal with the corner of your eye. So you just have to draw an imaginary line like this, and where it stops is where the wing of your eyebrow needs to stop. So it always has to be diagonal with that wing. So see how my eyebrows kind of come up to that area? same as here. So at each time you want to know where to stop when drawing your eyebrows, just draw an imaginary line starting from the corner of your eye and just pull it all the way up, and where it stops is where your eyebrow needs to stop. Like, just a little pointer if you had no idea. Okay, you are welcome. Next hack that I want to show you guys is actually pretty cool. I'm just reading off my notes so I don't forget. This one is actually interesting. So if you are wearing a nude lipstick that's going to make your lips just look too big and just look like duck lips, one thing that you can do if you do not have a brown pencil, that is for the chocolate girls, if you do not have a brown pencil, one thing you can do, I'm gonna go ahead and first remove off this lipstick so I can show you. One thing you can do in replacement of the brown pencil is using our dark concealer. So the concealer you use to contour, use that concealer, apply it on your lips. And so I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. This is in the shade Espresso. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and apply Peanut by Morphe. This is a liquid lipstick, and I created a video wearing this lipstick in my last video when I was talking about winter liquid lipsticks that you must have. You guys see, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and apply the same liquid lipstick again without the concealer underneath, and you're gonna see the difference. Like, this is amazing. If you do not have a brown pencil, use this technique, girl. You'll be very amazed, because this takes care of business, honey. It does. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this off, and apply the same liquid lipstick without the concealer underneath. So I have the lipstick on, and I'm sure you guys can see the difference. So the final hack that I want to show you guys is about plumping your lips. If you're a girl that doesn't have really full lips like I do, you can use an electric toothbrush to use around your lips to kind of give them that plump and make them look a little bit larger. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference with this toothbrush that I'm going to use, only because my electric toothbrush is very low in battery, so it won't give me the effect, but I'm going to use a traditional toothbrush and see if I can get that effect. So I'm gonna go ahead, I want you guys to see the before. These are my lips now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush around them. Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us. There you go. This is my lips after plumping them up with a toothbrush. This technique really helps a lot of people that kind of want to have fuller lips when they apply their lipsticks. So just use this technique and your lips will just get that plump that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Vaseline because my lips are hella dry right now. I feel like my lips are still vibrating. I'm just applying Vaseline right now, but these are my lips after using that toothbrush on them to plump them. Guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about these 5 hacks that I'm sure will help someone out there that had no idea about them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought about this video. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.